Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and engage your cruise control on your Tesla vehicle. So just get up to your speed, whatever it may be. I'm going about 45 miles per hour. And if you have the right stalk, all you have to do is press down on it to engage it, press up to disengage, or the foot pedal, you just have to press the brake in. Now if you don't have the right stalk, you just have to press this right scroll wheel in. So you can just press it in and it'll automatically engage your cruise control. Or if you have self-driving, it will engage that too and it'll just automatically drive. It looks like it's holding steady at my current speed. Well, self-driving is taking over now. But you can increase the speed here by going right scroll wheel in. Then if you scroll up on it, that'll increase the speed, or decrease it by going down, I believe. So I got all my different speed profiles on self-driving, sloth, chill, Mad Max, etc. Then I believe on other vehicles, if you scroll to the left, that will increase the following distance. If you push the scroll wheel to the right, that will decrease it, etc. So you can try that out. I don't think on self-driving they have that option on here. They just automatically do it with the different profiles here. And then I can just slightly tap my brake or push it in, and that will disengage it, and now I'm taking over. So that's how you disengage your cruise control or even self-driving. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.